Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Kanpur gangster Vikas Dubey, arrested Thursday for the killing of policemen in an ambush in Kanpur, has been shot dead. The encounter took place at 6:30 am this Friday morning in village Bhauti, about 30 minutes away from Kanpur city. Dubey was being brought back from Ujjain, where he had been arrested when he was leaving the Mahakal temple and going back to Kanpur when the car in which he was being transported skidded in the heavy rains and toppled on the highway at Sachindi border. According to the senior superintendent of police, Dinesh Kumar, Vikas Dubey tried to snatch a pistol from a policeman when the car overturned. Another policeman then shot at him in self-defense. Dubey was immediately rushed to Kanpur hospital with a bullet wound in his chest but died by the time the convoy reached. The alleged encounter has led to a massive uproar in Uttar Pradesh, with several politicians accusing the Yogi Adityanath government of killing Dubey in cold blood. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi accused the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and his government of stage managing the incident. It smacked of Milli Bhagat or collusion, she said, between the UP police and the UP government. Instead of bringing the dreaded gangster to justice, he had simply been shot so that no questions could be asked of the dead man, she added. Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav said the car has not toppled. The government has been saved from toppling due to secrets being exposed. Vikas Dubey had been arrested by Madhya Pradesh police Thursday morning after he was spotted by temple security guards exiting from the famous Mahakal temple in Ujjain. The UP police had put a bounty of 2.5 lakh rupees on him, which was later doubled to rupees 5 lakh. Here's a timeline of events since Vikas Dubey burst into the limelight last week for massacring 8 policemen on the night of 2nd and 3rd of July at Bikaru village in Chaubepur area near Kanpur, even cutting the toes of one of them in a Maoist-style attack. On Friday morning, Vikas's uncle Prem Prakash Pandey and cousin Atul Dubey were gunned down in an alleged encounter. The state authorities demolished the gangster's house on 4th July last Thursday with the same earth mover used by the criminals used to block police vehicles arriving in Bakru village. 2 tractors and 2 SUVs of the gangster were also destroyed. Dubey's aide Daya Shankar Agnihotri alias Kallu was arrested by the Uttar Pradesh police on 5th July, which is Sunday, at Kalyanpur area of Kanpur. Agnihotri, who was arrested after he was shot in the leg in an alleged encounter, revealed that Vikas got a tip-off by someone from the police station. Vinay Tiwari, Chaubepur police station supervising officer, was suspended after being suspected of being the mole. Meanwhile, old videos of gangster Dubey's connections with politicians and policemen in Uttar Pradesh have resurfaced. In this 2006 video, Dubey credited former Assembly Speaker Hari Krishnan Srivastav as his political guru.
अपने टाइम का राजनीति में लाने का श्रेय मुझे स्वर्गीय हरि कृष्ण श्रीवास्तव जी का है, जो मेरे राजनीतिक गुरु थे और उत्तर प्रदेश के कई बार मिनिस्टर रहे और उत्तर प्रदेश विधानसभा के अध्यक्ष भी रहे वो.
Now in the 2017 video, Dubey stated that several politicians including BJP MLAs Bhagwati Prasad Sagar and Abhijit Sangha helped him. Both the BJP leaders, however, have denied Dubey's claims. The notorious gangster was spotted Tuesday, that is on the 7th of July, in a hotel in Haryana's Faridabad. However, Dubey had again fled from the spot before the cops could nab him. Over on Wednesday and Thursday, policemen gunned down 3 more aides of Vikas Dubey, his close associate and bodyguard Amar Dubey, Kartikya alias Prabhat and Praveen alias Baua Dubey. On 9th July, Thursday, Dubey was finally arrested in Ujjain and he had reportedly driven from his village of Bikaru in Kanpur to Faridabad in Haryana and then again to Kota in Rajasthan and finally to Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, crossing 3 states. Hours after his arrest, the UP STF apprehended his wife Richa Dubey, his son and a helper. Now, Richa Dubey is said to have helped her husband in unlawful activities and was allegedly a part of the conspiracy that killed 8 police personnel. This is Shravasti Dasgupta with Bismi Taksin reporting for The Print.